Good morning. How's everyone doing? Happy Saturday. I wanted to just pop on here. Thank you for watching or liking and subscribing. Today's like a semi get out in the garden day. I'm pretty pooped from a long week of work. It's tax season and helping with all kinds of things like I don't know if you all know what they are. It's like a business property tax statement. In California, they're called 571Ls. They're interesting, not always fun, but very challenging and interesting to do these forms that nobody wants to do. And lots of stuff before the tax deadline. But all good things. Grateful to have the work and grateful to be able to take a Saturday to pause and reflect. I have my orchid that's getting ready to bloom again. This baby bloomed already a few weeks ago, and then this one doesn't have a new branch thing yet. I just transplanted these as they were getting really overcrowded. I found some moss in my in a pot outside, and I brought it inside just to see. And I'm just this is kind of like the plant nursery here, like nurturing some things that need help. Anywho, I just brought in I love these things that I get with my candles because I use them to start seedlings. And today I am going to start some cucumbers, pumpkin, some giant sunflowers, and something called cow peas, which are pink eye purple hulled peas. I've planted string beans before, but not cow peas. Those just look cool and interesting. So typically I start them in here. I have grow lights in my living room. They start very fast, and then after a few weeks, I put them outside with some protection, like some netting. I have a squirrel who's our friend and neighbor who likes to come and bury his different things in my different flower pots outside and wrestle up my seedlings. So I have to be careful where I move these outside once I do. But anyhow, I hope you all have a beautiful day. This is my latest, one of my latest additions to my barn houses. I have some barn warmers over here. I love this Scentsy warmer, and I have this one. I think this is like a sensational warmer. I'm not sure, but I leave these out all year long. I have a bunch of barn houses or warmers in the rest of the house, and I have a reindeer ranch that I'll do in a separate video that I got over the weekend from eBay. It's got Santa flying out of the roof, and there's like a reindeer stable down below. This little guy is from a German company. He's really old, and I collect horses, and I got my mom one like this too, this little cute donkey. Anyhow, have a beautiful day, and thank you for letting me share my garden growing morning with you. Have a great weekend. Bye.